Where did he go back up there?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, before you do that, let me get him out.
There's a moth in there.
I'll get him.
And one time it landed on Mommy's shirt. Come here. Ah, come on, Leo.
There he goes. He flew out. Ah! Did you get him? Marley, where is he? Get him off of me. He's going, ah! Get him! Did you suck him?
Not yet. He's dead. There he goes. Look, he circles.
He's dizzy.
He's right there. My chicken.
He says he's... Here, no. I'll get him down. Let's see. Hold on. As long as he doesn't land on me. Huh?
I'm calling him bad names. Because I like poor Rudolph. He's not poor Rudolph. Because he's not ever coming down. Come here, Lou.
I'm trying, little Miss Bossy.
Did you hear that? Get that from.
Here, scoot over, Jack. I'm going to get him.
Again.
Wait, let me get him.
Again.
I'm going to get him. Wait, no, I get him. Ready?
Yeah. Mommy's getting a bow.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Oh! Miss Bossy, come on. You little...
For this time only. This time only, you can stand on the table to try to suck them.
Again.
Nobody else stand. Don't pull on that. No, Harper, standing on the table. Stand on your tippy toes. Walk a little closer. Tippy toes, suck. I'll hold your hand. Okay, stand on your tippy toes.
Come here. He's running away from me. Come here.
Tippy toes again.
Oh!
Try it again. Oh! Stick him in there.
There he goes.
Harper, get off the table. No. Harper, get off the table.
Come here.
No, you can stand on your tippy toes on the floor. Oh, did you get him?
Yes.
Sweet.
Come on, you little cheerleader.
Say success.
Success.
Jack, you want to see?